Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usambut Menteri Rangba Kajala ubas ni Balang Dhar ubere Pedro uya katanat penroy sor habakren berkinang tho okubor uloong baka Sorkar jala ha kabakut jong ni ubanay naitung kanile ban pendep ya karai ban Pynkynriah no ya kijat penriu Punjabi Kiba Shong basa ha harjan koloni lani kabajukhot katham Metor Dhar uloong baka Sorkar jala kan sa Shong Biang ka Jingïalang ban Bishar bania halor kani kad kung kajing ong Dhar kaway na kilat balay kren haga Jingïalang baladep kalong ban pan jaka nakatanat defense nakabenta ban Pynkynriah ya koloni minta ka Sorkar kadang ab ya kajing ajing mud naki he katanat defense hadin kajing kren bala panlong haki kerdan ba pher haba kili halor kajing he jong kajaka ubas ni Balang Dhar uloong ba ompat don kanu kajing dawag haduk minta namar ba kajing kren Bishar bania kampat sedang.
At the right time you ask me this question, so we are planning by the end of this month where we get to sit one more and we'll take the exact latest report what is there. So maybe finally we'll see what are the exact report because the last meeting that we had, so there is option we may get one from defense also. So we are awaited for the last conversation between the officials and the defense people. So let us see, I think by the end of this month, at least I'll be able to share something already.
How much?
Status with this hurricane colony. We didn't ask how much because we have to discuss first. If they are willing, and we will ask. This land is required.
But you have identified the land?
Now we have identified 2-3 places, but till today no signal has been received from the defense. Now let us see. Because even Chief Minister they had a meeting, 2-3 meeting with the Union Defense Ministers, Government of India.
So we can say that the response is positive.
Let's see. It should be, but let's see.
By when the government is planning to complete this process of
By
renovation?
by when, I cannot say by when. Let us have a discussion first. So only then we'll be able to take a call how to move forward.
So now what will happen to the blueprint that the government has
Blueprint is
proposed
remaining
and
as it
presented?
is. Blueprint is remaining as it is. So there we have got another option with the defense. That's why we are both sides are ready. If A is not working, we may go with the plan B.
And if they don't welcome the government's decision, then what will be the...
Then government will take a call. Simple as that. Government will take a call. How to proceed ahead.